Hey y'all, hey, so today I decided to do something about this hair of mine. I've been walking around looking unloved, unkept and things of that nature. So I am going to do a leave-in, like a pre-poo, and I use some castor oil, some organic castor oil, some jojoba oil, and my aloe vera juice. So I'm going to put that in my hair really, really good. Gotta shake it up really good so they all can come out together. And after I saturate my hair with it, I'm going to put a cap on it. And honestly, I'm going to take this cap and I'm going to put it under my turban. And I'm going to go to the store and I'm going to shop for me some hair and I'm going to make me a crochet wig. It is getting quite cold and I am tired of walking around with the head wraps on. And I want to do a little bit of, have a little bit of flexibility with that, because I am not putting no lace front on my head, girl. I need my edges. If I made it this long with edges, girl, I am too old to start losing them, fooling with that stuff. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. And that castor oil is really, really thick, and it's going to really penetrate my scalp, and I'm going to love every bit of the moisture because I need it for the winter. And as you can see, I'm going to part it and make sure I get up in there with it really, really good because, girl, yeah. And of course, Taz thinks I have food and he wants to lick it off my hands. And we're going to let him say hi today. See, bugaboo. But anyway, yeah, put my hair wrap on because I'm going to go to the store with it under. That way it is heated and ready to go. Somewhere along the lines, I changed caps. Yeah, but anyway, I'm back from the store. I got me a wig cap. I got 2 packs of hair. I already had me a crochet needle in the cut. And I had my little mannequin head, because yeah, I do know how to make lace fronts, but I don't wear them. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to put my cap on. As you can see, the small one, the little smaller neck is going to be the front, because that's going to be the front of my cap. And I'm going to turn it around to the back, because I always start in the back. And I'm just going to use my hook, my crochet hook, and go through and pull it. You can leave it that way, or you can take it up a notch and you can tie it one time. It's a little bit time consuming when you do the extra tie, but it's all on you. I like to start out in the back. Again, I like to take my time and go around and spread it out. So it's going to be some gaps, but mine always end up being real, real full because I think I use too much hair. I don't know. But anyway, I'd rather have too much than not enough and have a thin wig where you can see through it. I don't know, that's just me. But anywho, I'm going to start showing you my update as I go along. I think I got like 3 in that one, and we're making progress. So this is more of a time-lapse video with me because this video will be very long if I did not do it this way. As you can see, I started working on the sides as well. We got the little, we moving along, and we moving along. And it just depends on how fast you work. It can take about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do one. It depends, if it's a situation of it feels like work, then of course it's going to take long. But if it's like a creative thing, which is normally is for me when I make one, yeah. I really wanted one with some color, but I didn't find any hair that I like, so I'm just going to roll with this. And the next time around, I'll go ahead and make me a blonde one. But this is a 4, if I'm not mistaken. So it's closer to my hair color. And we're still checking it out. I do have some spots that I have to put plug, like right there. Oh yeah, it's a big gap. So with my second pack, I kind of made it stretch, and I broke it. With all of it, both packs I broke the pieces down, but with my second pack, I'm really able to go in and fill in And because the first pack I was able to, kind of lay the foundation, but this is me. I had to stand up to get to the top because I couldn't see it. And I don't think I have a wig stand anymore. So I'm just pretty much working with the head on the desk. And this is it. I'm going to put it on my head. And you guys are going to see how it needs to be cut. But either way, once I tame it some, I'll show you. I'll probably cut a little bit of it right now. And when you put it back like that, you can put a good headband on it and, do it. But, yeah, I don't know how this, oh yeah. So I ended up adding some of my special hair oil to my hair grease, and I greased my scalp, and kind of tied it down, and I braided it before I did everything else. But yeah, again, this is my wig. Yeah, my clips got a little crazy, but either way, I'm gonna put it back on, and we're gonna do some cutting on camera, and then I'm gonna get off camera and clip it in the mirror. But I always find myself adjusting it after a day or two. But tonight I just didn't feel like, because I was tired from washing my hair and doing all that running around getting the hair. Because honestly, I decided to do a self-care day today, so at least I don't have to do my hair tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just going to use these scissors right here because this is all I can find. And more than likely, I'll probably add some mousse to it when I get a chance. But, the big hair, don't care. I got to move it around because, like I said, it always ends up more than normal. So, yeah, just doing some trimming. And like I said, I went in the mirror and did a little bit more trimming afterwards. And, yeah, just do me a little 1-2 together. And I was gonna buy some lashes, but girl, I'm not doing all that. I got a good lash brush, and when it's time to do that, I will give that and arch them eyebrows. All right, see y'all later. Bye.